My name is Adler. I'm coming from Tofflon Science and Technology Group, and I'm based in Italy in our Italian facility, working as a sales manager for European market. Well, actually, this year is a very important year for Tofflon in Europe, since we have dived into a European market for more than 22 years. And now, since we have our new facility in Italy, and also we have our new team in Italy, which helps us to reorganize the whole marketing activities in Europe. So we see that it could be a big increase of the business nowadays in Europe. So currently, Tofflon is working on the green coolant of the freeze dryer because we want to create a more environment friendly to the global warming. And so now we are working on different approach for the green coolant, which is a freon-free. So now, because everyone is focusing on the updates, the latest version of Annex 1, so there is a lot of existing plants and also an existing machine, which is really facing the issues to comply with Annex 1. So that's the thing that Tofflon now is working with the customer nowadays in Europe to do any retrofits or any modification of the current lines. So now actually AI is more and more widely used. So this is something really changing the real life. So for our machinery, for example, for the AI, it can be widely used in the trend analysis to help the customer to do the preventative maintenance, which with the prediction of any defects in advance. So nowadays, in the pharmaceutical operation, the main risk is mainly still coming from the human, from the operator. So which now Tofflon is working on is to use any tools for the monitoring of the operations and also to use fully automated solutions to eliminate the risk from the human. I can give 3 words on that. So first is quite interesting, and the second is fruitful, and the third is see you next time.